Is it the right time to buy or sell the VOO ETF? In this video, we will delve deep into the VOO ETF. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, February 2, 2024. Today, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. To stay updated on our latest analysis, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. You wouldn't want to miss any crucial updates that could have an impact on your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. With this tool, you can tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 3, 2023, our system has identified VOO as a strong buy candidate, with a score of 5.25. Now, let's examine how the stock has performed during this period. If you had followed our analysis, you would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 13.7% since we first recommended VOO as a buy candidate 62 days ago. This translates to an average return of 0.22% per day since it was identified as a strong buy candidate. The ETF is currently in the middle of a strong and narrow upward trend in the short term. This suggests that the ETF is likely to continue rising in the near future. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a potential 11.31% change expected over the next 3 months. This means that the ETF could potentially provide a return between 9.02% and 13.05%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a projected 17.63% change over the next year. This translates to a potential return between 2.41% and 18.1%. In terms of price, this could range from $465.09 to $536.34 after a year. Our latest update on VOO brings exciting news. The VOO ETF has been upgraded from a buy candidate to a strong buy candidate after Friday's trading session. On the last trading day, the VOO ETF price increased by 1%, starting at $449.66 and ending at $454.15. Throughout the day, the ETF experienced fluctuations of 1.38%, reaching a low of $449.69 and a high of $455.88. It's worth noting that the price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days, showcasing a positive trend. Over the past 2 weeks, the ETF has seen a growth of 2.45%. Additionally, the volume of shares traded on the last day increased along with the price, indicating a positive technical sign. In total, 109,000 more shares were traded compared to the previous day, amounting to a total of 6 million shares traded, valued at approximately $2.76 billion. Looking at the bigger picture, over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF reached $455.88, while the lowest price was $349.76. Currently, the price is 0.38% or $1.73 below the 52-week high of $455.88, which is also the all-time high for the ETF. Today, I'll be discussing the signals for the VOO stock. Let's start with the positive signals. Both short-term and long-term moving averages indicate a buy signal, which is a good sign for the stock's future. Additionally, the relation between these two signals shows a general buy signal, with the short-term average being above the long-term average. In case of any downward corrections, there is support from the lines at $449.57 and $439.03. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, sell signals will be issued. On Thursday, January 4, 2024, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by 5.76%. This indicates a further rise until a new top pivot is found. In addition, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also gives a buy signal. The volume is rising along with the price, which is considered a good technical signal. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence gave a buy signal. Pivots showed a buy signal 21 days ago. Bollinger indicated a buy signal 5 days ago. The short-term moving average issued a sell signal 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 60 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average gave a sell signal 14 days ago. The long-term moving average provided a buy signal 58 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy 47 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for VOO. VOO, an ETF, has a significant support level at $434.01. When this support level is tested, it often presents a buying opportunity. Traders can expect an upward reaction from the stock when this support holds. VOO is known for its controlled movements and high liquidity, making it a low-risk option. On the last trading day, the ETF had a price range of $6.19, which is equivalent to a 1.38% fluctuation. Over the past week, the average daily volatility of VOO has been 0.99%. Today, we'll be looking at some potential day trading levels for VOO. When analyzing the accumulated volume, we find that there's no significant resistance above. This suggests that if the right conditions are met, the stock could experience a swift upward movement. In such cases, it might be a good idea to enter a position and use volume as an indicator for determining when to exit. On the downside, VOO encounters its first support level at $434.01. If this support level holds, it could serve as a promising entry point, with the potential for a rebound. Our recommended stop loss for this ETF is set at $428.72, with a decrease of 5.6%. This ETF exhibits low daily movements, which translates to lower risk for investors. Additionally, we have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was observed 20 days ago. Is VOO ETF a good buy? VOO ETF shows promising signs and is currently in a strong upward trend. As the saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Based on this analysis, we believe it is a wise choice to consider investing in VOO at its current levels, with potential for further gains over the next 3 months. In fact, we have upgraded our evaluation from a buy to a strong buy recommendation. When analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. Looking ahead to Monday, February 5th, we anticipate VOO to open with a decline of -91 and begin trading at $453.24. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It's always advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By accessing and using our information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. We'd love to hear your thoughts on our current view of the stock. Share your agreement or disagreement in the comments below. And don't forget to let us know your target for the ETF. If you enjoy our content, remember to like and subscribe. We're here at Stock Invest, wishing you successful trading and a wonderful day.